are at the 10th edition of IEIA Open Seminar at the BIEC Bangalore. So we have with us Mr. Suraj Dhawan. Let's hear from the man himself. Could you please introduce yourself?
See, my name is Suraj Dhawan. I run a company called Falcon Exhibitions, and it's indeed a pleasure to be here and interact with the TFT team.
Wonderful. So today we are, celebrating this 10th year of this open space seminar of exhibitions. What exactly is happening in this event today?
See, after a long drought for about 2 years, the entire exhibition fraternity is here today to meet, exchange notes, celebrate, and plan for the future. Last 2 years have been very tough for the industry. We are very confident the next 3 years are going to be extremely busy, and today everybody is interacting, understanding how they can work together more forcefully.
Right. So what are the challenges and the protocols do you think will be followed now? Challenges first, if we can discuss, and the protocols of the exhibition industry.
See, last 2 years the industry has done a lot of self-introspection. There has been sufficient skill upgradations and technology upgradations. Industry is ready to do events in a controlled environment. So as of day, I don't see any challenges around. In terms of opportunities, collaborative workings, working together as a team, looking at shared resources and investing in technology should drive the thought process for the next year.
Why is India called the exhibition hub of the world, basically?
See, exhibitions showcase opportunities. India's demand for goods and services and India's requirement to absorb overseas technologies make India a very interesting market to do business with. There's a huge market where exporters from all over the world would like to sell to India, and on the other hand, Indian companies are also getting global. They are looking outwards, and exhibitions provide them an opportunity to interact together on a face-to-face format.
How do you gain trust, among people, after this 2 years, calling them for exhibitions and all? How do you build up that trust now?
See, if there is an opportunity, a prudent businessman will do whatever is required to run his business. If he feels that exhibitions will offer him the best medium for lead generation, I don't think he will have any doubts towards participation. The Indian exhibition organizers are very well known for delivering quality products. I don't think there's a challenge for anyone to doubt whether things will take a worse turn.
Right. But it's a very unpredictable situation around the world. So how do you think you will collectively, beat this thing?
See, one thing is for sure, that the exhibition organizer industry feels that we have to organize events in a managed, controlled environment. In the last 3 months, several shows have happened all over in India successfully, and there's no reason why similar kinds of shows cannot be organized in future in a controlled environment. It's a better hygiene, looking at things and planning it what is required.
So new protocol, new normal is the norm. So thank you so much for talking to us. It was lovely.
Thank you, and we do miss Syed today. I hope he's doing well in Mumbai. Thank you.
I'm sure of that. Thank you so much.